Hello, that's my introductory video to the Arduino. In this video I will show you the components of the Arduino Uno board. I will also show you the blank sketch. First, the component of the board. That's the power supply input. That's micro USB port, will be used to connect the board to the computer, will also work as a power supply. In this side we have pins starting from 0 to 13. Those are digital pins, will be used mainly as output. And by digital we mean that they have only two states, either on or off. In the opposite side we have pins starting from A5 to A0. Those are analog pins, will be used mainly at input, and by analog we mean that they have multiple states. They can be used to read different values from different sensors such as temperature sensor or light sensors and so on. Also on this side we have a power pins. They have a 3.3 volt pin and 5 volt pin and 2 pins to connecting the ground. They will be mainly used to supply other components with power such as LCD displays or sensors. This shape is the microcontroller itself. This acts as the brain of the Arduino Uno board. It is responsible for storing the memory, and it is also responsible for processing the inputs and the outputs. As you see, the board itself have some built-in LEDs which may be used to indicate when the board is connected with electricity or when something goes wrong. Also, there are different built-in resistors in the body of the board itself. This button there is the reset button, so whenever something goes wrong, by pressing the reset button the board will go back to its normal default setting. And for the blank sketch we will be using one LED light. As you see, this little light there have two legs. One is short leg and one is long. The short leg is the negative one that will be connected to the ground, and the long leg is the positive that will be connected to pin 13. And notice that we don't need resistor for this blank sketch because there is already a built-in resistor in pin number 13. So next I will show you how the sketch will work. Thank you very much. Now we will do the blank sketch. First, as you see, the green LED which is built in the board is indicating green, which means that my board is connected to the computer, and that's the LED light that we are going to use. This short leg is connected into the ground, and the long leg is connected to the pin number 13. No need for resistor because there is a built-in resistor into pin 13. I'll go to my Arduino platform, go to File, Examples, Basics, Blank. So now we are using the built-in methods that are included in the Arduino library. If we scroll to the bottom, we see that's the loop body. That's our program that keeps working till we terminate it. This line, it sets the LED light into a high state, which means it's on, and then we delay 1 second for the next process, which is setting the LED light into low state, which means off, and then again another delay for 1 second. So I will upload my program to the board. We see it's compiling there, then back to the board. Now we see that the board blinks and then it goes off for a second and then blinks again. Thank you very much for watching.